got a screechy bar.
Yes, she does.
No. No. Hey.
Let her do it once.
I'm gonna have to clean.
Oh my God.
Hey.
Bailey.
Wow.
You don't like that, do you?
Wow. It's got a hurtful bar. Screechy. She's gonna have to get used to it. Because I'm cleaning. No. No. They want to be a YouTube video. No. Stop it. No.
Bailey, come here.
Hey.
Bailey.
No.
She thinks it's a game.
No, it's like she wants to attack it. The vacuum she was looking for, too.
Maybe her previous owners weren't much in the way of cleanliness.